In this video, we'll show you how to send a video from your gallery as a snap on Snapchat. So if you have a video in your camera roll which you would like to send as a snap to your friends or family members, then watch this video until the end to learn how it's done. The first thing that we have to do is to make sure that we have the latest version of the Snapchat app installed. So open your App Store or your Google Play Store and just check if Snapchat is updated. If it is, then you can open the app and record a short video. So record a video for around a second or two, it really doesn't matter. You will then see a little plus button at the left side of your screen, so you want to click on that button. Snapchat is going to open your editor, and we will see a couple of options at the right side of our screen. The option, or button on which we need to click on, is this Import Media option right here. This is going to open our photo gallery or camera roll, and you just want to select a video which you want to send as a snap to someone. After you select a video, you'll have two videos in the timeline. Since we don't need the first video which we had recorded, simply select that video and then delete it by clicking on the little trash can icon. So we now have just the video from our camera roll, and I can tap on the preview option in order to open the editor. I can now edit this snap, add text, effects, draw on it, and all that other stuff. You can now send this video as a snap to anyone you want. And that's it for this video, everyone. If this was helpful, then leave a comment down below, and I'll see you soon.